Hello everyone, welcome to the video class of Standard 5 subject GK. In the last lecture, you studied chapter number 11 and 12. Today we will learn chapter number 13 and 14. And children, you might have familiar with some types of dances like classical dance, western dance, folk dance, etc. And you might have also performed in the different program, in the different celebration from in our school. Chapter number 13, come on folks. Folk dances are performed to celebrate different occasions such as the beginning of the harvest season, a wedding, a religious festival or the birth of a child. These dances have simple movements and express people's joy. India is famous for a variety of folk dances. Have you seen or performed any folk dance before? Yes, you have seen also and you have performed also in folk dance of Gujarat. So the map of India is given below. There is an index with the name of the folk dance of a particular state. You have to match the folk dance with the state where it is performed. So here an index with the name of the folk dance of a particular state is given and you have to match the folk dance with the state. Here states are given. Here is Bhangra. Bhangra is a folk dance of Punjab. So here is Punjab and here we will give one number. That is Bhangra. Then Pawri Nach. Pawri Nach is a folk dance of Maharashtra. So we will give 2 number to Maharashtra. Then Bihu. Bihu is a folk dance of, do you know which state? Yes, it is of Assam. So here is Assam. We will give 3 number to Assam. Then Ghumar. Ghumar is a folk dance of Rajasthan. So give 4 number here. Then Javra. Javra is a folk dance of Madhya Pradesh. So here is Madhya Pradesh. We will give 5 number to Madhya Pradesh. Then Chhau. Chhau is a folk dance of Jharkhand, Odisha and West Bengal. So we will give 6 number to Jharkhand, West Bengal and Odisha. Then Poikalattam. Poikalattam is a folk dance of Tamil Nadu. Where is Tamil Nadu? Here. So give 7 number to Tamil Nadu. Then Dandiya. I am sure you all know the Dandiya is a folk dance of our state, that is Gujarat. So give 8 number to Gujarat. So we have given number to the state for the folk dances. So Bhangra is a folk dance of Punjab, Pawri Nach is a folk dance of Maharashtra, Bihu is a folk dance of Assam, Ghumar is a folk dance of Rajasthan, Javra is a folk dance of Madhya Pradesh, Chhau is a folk dance of Jharkhand, West Bengal and Odisha. Poikalattam is a folk dance of Tamil Nadu and Dandiya is a folk dance of Gujarat. Now let's continue with the chapter number 14, Women of India. As you know, nowadays women work in every field and they compete with men. Here are the women who have done some unusual excellent work in the different field. So let us know about them. So since the beginning of Indian history, women have played a major role in politics, literature, education and religion. Shivaji's mother Jijabai was known for her bravery and character. Mirabai was a female saint and poet. Rani Lakshmibai, you also know about her, Queen of Jhansi, died while bravely fighting against the British. So the success story of women continues even today. Here is a photo of Medha Patkar. She is a social activist who supports the cause of farmers in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. And here is a photo of Alka Yagnik. Alka Yagnik is a famous playback singer. And this is the photo of Sister Nirmala, is the head of the Missionaries of Charity, founded by Mother Teresa. Barkha Dutt is a popular TV journalist. Here Arundhati Roy is an award-winning novelist, writer and activist. Shabana Azmi is a noted film actor and social activist. Some firsts. Sarojini Naidu, a poet and a freedom fighter, was the first Indian woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress and the first woman to become the governor of state in India. Sarojini Naidu, a poet and a freedom fighter, was the first Indian woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress and the first woman to become the governor of a state in India. Then Kiran Bedi. Do you know about Kiran Bedi? Kiran Bedi was the first woman to join the Indian Police Services IPS in 1972. Then Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to fly into space, and Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. So children, you have to write down this board chapter in your GK Fair notebook. This can be asked as match A with B or fill in the blanks in your examination. So do write in your fair book. Thank you.